Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Inshot and loading the project you want to fix. Tap the clip on the timeline to reveal tools. Make sure you see the audio and volume icons. If the background sound is a separate music track, tap Audio to list music layers. If it's embedded camera audio, tap the video track and examine its waveform to confirm unwanted noise. This first step isolates the source so you can remove or reduce it precisely, preventing accidental removal of needed dialogue. Once you've identified the source, select the audio track and open volume controls. Lower it to 0% to fully mute, or choose 10-20% if you want a subtle ambience. If noise appears only in parts, use split at the start and end points, then delete or mute that segment. This preserves speech elsewhere. For separate music layers, you can also replace the track by tapping delete and adding a cleaner file. Make sure to play back to check levels and transitions. To finish, fine-tune transitions. Apply fade in and fade out to avoid abrupt audio jumps and adjust neighboring clips volumes for balance. If persistent background noise remains, export a draft, use an external noise reduction app, then re-import the cleaned audio into Inshot. This improves clarity without re-editing video. Once satisfied, export final video at desired resolution. If you still hear residual sound, make sure you didn't miss a hidden track and recheck muted segments before exporting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.